Well, Phoevos, thanks very much for your time today. I wonder, for those who aren't too familiar, could you just tell us a word or two about the company?
Sure, thank you very much. So Tharisa is a low-cost co-producer of platinum group metals and chrome concentrate from a large, long-life open pit situated in the Bushveld complex of South Africa. We're in chrome and platinum country. Our neighbours are Sibanye Platinum, Lonmin and Samancor Chrome. We've taken the project from exploration over the last 10 years into full steady-state production. We're giving guidance this year of chrome concentrate production at 1.3 million tonnes and PGM concentrate production of around 147,000 PGM ounces. So a sizable project, 4.8 million tonnes throughput processing capacity and around 5 million tonnes run-of-mine rate.
And perhaps just a word or two as you see the end markets for your product.
Sure. So I think the PGM market is far better covered and documented. We've seen negative sentiment around platinum, predominantly due to Dieselgate, the Dieselgate scandal. We're starting to see the platinum price recovering. In the last few days, we've seen a breakthrough $1,000 an ounce. We still believe there's a real industrial use as well as a store of value for platinum. And we think that that spread between gold and platinum lends itself to some upside. Palladium, on the other hand, is performing exceptionally well, trading at levels above $750 an ounce. So in terms of those two being the main constituents of our product mix, we see some upside potential. But I suppose the more interesting aspect of our business is the chrome concentrate. So South Africa contains 70% of the world's chrome resources, and China, the biggest consumer, has no resources of their own. So they're wholly dependent on the import of chrome concentrate, and most people don't know the use of chrome. It really is the irreplaceable ingredient that makes stainless steel stainless. And so the Chinese, with the biggest stainless steel market share, over 50%, require South African concentrate. So we account for 80%, South Africa Inc., of Chinese requirements of chrome concentrate. And as Tharisa, we're a significant supplier into that, accounting for just short of 10% of China's imports of chrome concentrate. So what's happened in China is we've seen port stocks deplete to critically low levels in August of last year. Coupled with some logistics constraints, we've seen prices rally almost fourfold within 12 months. So we hit a low of some $80 per tonne this time last year, and we're seeing current spot market prices of $390 per tonne. So an exceptionally good margin for us as a low-cost producer. So we're quite positive and bullish around the fundamentals of stainless steel demand and consumption.
And so just looking forward into 2017, what's Tharisa's priorities? What should investors be looking out for?
So we declared a maiden dividend last year. So with the forecast increase in cash flows, we'd like to see us continuing with that discipline and potentially increasing via discretionary payout that dividend. We have a minimal amount of debt. We have a net debt to net equity of some 20%, but we'd like to reduce that as well. And then we're looking at growth opportunities, organic, improving recoveries and possibly accessing some more of the reef that we're not currently accessing, and potential M&A type activity to diversify the project.
Very good. Phoevos, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Great.
Cheers.